What is the very first thing that comes to your mind whenever you hear the words unemployed or without a job? Here in the Philippines, these words are often translated and commonly understood as tambay, someone who spends time waiting, resting, or simply being present without a formal occupation. Sometimes, being unemployed carries a negative judgment from society. People may quickly associate it with laziness or a lack of purpose. What many people may not realize is that behind situations like this, there are also struggles and challenges that people quietly face here in the Philippines. Hi, my name is Mike. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a regular viewer, welcome back. Thank you for taking the time to stop by. Today, let's slow down and talk about life in the Philippines as we take a peaceful walking tour around this beautiful place. Have you ever wondered why many people in the Philippines struggle to find jobs? Behind every unemployed person is a different story. It is not always because someone is not trying hard enough. Sometimes there are deeper reasons connected to our economy, opportunities, and the challenges people face every day. One major reason is the limited number of available jobs compared to the growing number of people looking for work. Every year, many young Filipinos graduate and enter the workforce, but not everyone can immediately find a job that matches their skills and education. Another reason is the lack of access to quality education and training. Some people have the determination to work, but they may not have the qualifications or experience that many companies require. Location can also be a challenge. Many job opportunities are concentrated in big cities like Metro Manila, while people in rural areas may have fewer choices. For some, moving to another place is difficult because of the cost of transportation, housing, and daily expenses. There is also the issue of job mismatch. Some Filipinos have degrees or skills, but the available jobs may not need those specific qualifications. Because of this, some people end up waiting longer or accepting work outside their chosen field. Economic challenges also affect employment. When businesses struggle, they may slow down hiring or reduce their workforce. This can create more competition among job seekers. Lastly, some people face personal challenges such as lack of connections, limited resources, or responsibilities at home that make finding stable work more difficult. Sometimes, these struggles become even heavier because of another burden they have to carry: the pressure of being unemployed and the way society as well as the people around them see them. Many unemployed individuals silently face the fear of being judged. The constant comparison with others who already have stable careers, and the endless questions about when they will finally find a job. Some begin to feel like they are falling behind in life, while others struggle with guilt for depending on their families or not being able to contribute financially. Over time, these pressures can slowly affect their confidence, self-worth, and hope for the future. I've also been through this kind of situation and the same struggles before, back when I was just starting my journey in the corporate world. And now that I've become unemployed again, I find myself facing many of those same emotions. The difference this time is that I chose to leave my previous path because I wanted to pursue a different career. Unlike before, when my goal was to build a life in the corporate world, I've now decided to follow my passion for content creation. Choosing this path hasn't been easy. With every step forward, new challenges continue to appear. There are moments filled with doubt, fear, and uncertainty. I often wonder if taking this risk will truly be worth it. But despite all of those feelings, what continues to guide me is my dedication and the genuine happiness I feel while exploring this new journey. I may not have all the answers yet, but I know that I'm growing with every experience. And for now, that gives me peace. In this video, I know that each of us is carrying different struggles in life, not only when it comes to our career paths, but also in the unique journeys we each experience. Even though our stories are different, we all share one hope: to keep moving forward with the choices we've made and to overcome every challenge that comes our way. My wish is that we don't just reach success, but that along the journey, we truly see the beauty of life, appreciate every lesson it teaches us, and find gratitude in every step we take. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this video. What part of it resonated with you the most? Also, if you feel comfortable sharing, what struggles or challenges are you currently facing in life? Let's create a space where we can listen, support, and remind each other that we're not alone.